Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Jacob. How are you today?
Hi, Chloe. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing well. I was just looking outside the window and thinking about the weather. What is the weather like today for you?
Today is very interesting. It is a bit cloudy, and there is a light breeze. I think it is a cool day. How about at your place?
Here it is sunny and warm. The sky is very clear and the sun is shining brightly. I love sunny days because they make me feel happy.
Sunny days are wonderful, but sometimes I like a little wind too. Today, even though it is cloudy here, the wind makes it feel fresh.
That's true. A bit of wind can be nice. I feel like the weather changes my mood. When it is sunny, I feel energetic. And when it is cloudy, I feel calm.
Exactly. Yesterday it was a little rainy here. I had to take an umbrella to work. Rainy days are quiet and sometimes a bit sad, but they also feel peaceful.
I agree. Rain makes everything look clean. I enjoy the sound of rain if I am at home. I usually sit by the window with a cup of tea and listen to the rain.
That sounds lovely. I sometimes watch the raindrops slide down the window, and it makes me think of nature. Even the wind has a special sound when it blows through the trees.
Yes, nature makes the weather feel alive. When I see leaves moving with the wind, I feel very connected to the day. Do you like windy days?
I do. I like to feel the wind on my face. It makes me think of sailing or flying a kite. A gentle wind is refreshing, but too much wind can be a little scary.
That's right. When the wind is very strong, it can be dangerous. I remember one day. It was so windy. That many people stayed indoors.
I remember that too. It is best to be careful when the wind is strong. But today, the wind is gentle and I can go for a short walk outside.
Walking in good weather is one of my favorite activities. When it is sunny, I usually go to the park. I like to sit on a bench, read a book, or just enjoy the nature.
I like that, Chloe. I often walk or ride my bicycle when the weather is nice. It gives me energy and a chance to clear my mind.
Do you have any plans today because of the weather?
Yes, I do. Since it is a cool day with some clouds, I plan to visit the museum this afternoon. It is not too hot, so I will feel comfortable inside.
That sounds great. I think I might go for a picnic in the park later. The sun is out, and it will be a fun day to relax with a small lunch outdoors.
A picnic is a wonderful idea. I sometimes join my friends for a picnic on sunny days. It is a nice break from work and studying.
I feel that the weather really affects our plans. When it is sunny, we want to be outside. And when it is rainy, we stay indoors and read or watch movies.
Absolutely. For example, last week, when it rained all day, I stayed at home, made some hot chocolate, and watched my favorite TV show.
I do that too on rainy days. I love watching a movie or reading a book while listening to the sound of the rain. It is very relaxing.
What do you think is the best type of weather for you?
I think I like sunny days the most because they are full of energy. I love to go out, meet friends, and enjoy the warm weather. But sometimes I also enjoy a quiet, rainy day at home.
That makes sense. I think I like a mix of both. A sunny day with a little wind is perfect for me. It is not too hot, and I can feel the breeze while I walk or bike.
Yes, a balanced day with sun and a gentle breeze feels just right. Do you check the weather forecast every morning?
I do. I like to know if I need an umbrella or a jacket before I leave home. It helps me plan my day.
Me too. I usually check my phone for the weather forecast. If it says rain, I take my umbrella. If it says sunny, I wear sunglasses and a hat.
That is very practical. It also helps me decide whether to go out or stay indoors.
Sometimes I also watch the news to see if there is any change in the weather during the day. It is interesting to see how the weather changes.
Yes, the news often shows pictures of storms, sunny days, or even snowy weather in some parts of the country.
Have you ever seen snow, Jacob?
Yes, I have. Last winter, we had a few days of snow. It was beautiful to see everything covered in white. I built a small snowman and even had a snowball fight with my friends.
That sounds like fun. I have seen snow in a few movies, but I have never experienced it myself. I think snow would be magical, but I also worry it might be too cold.
It is very cold, but it is also very pretty. When you see snow, it feels like the world is calm and quiet.
I imagine so. I like warm weather because I can go outside and enjoy the sunshine without freezing.
Warm weather is great. It makes me feel energetic and happy. I like to go to the park and sometimes even visit a nearby lake when it is warm.
I like lakes too. The water looks so calm and blue. I would love to go boating someday when the weather is perfect.
Boating is fun. I have never tried it, but I think it would be a great adventure on a sunny day.
The weather really gives us many ideas for activities. Whether it is sunny, rainy, windy, or snowy, there is always something to do.
I agree, Chloe. Each type of weather brings its own beauty and challenges. We just need to enjoy it and plan our day accordingly.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts about the weather with me, Jacob. I always feel better when I talk about these small things.
Thank you, Chloe. I enjoyed our conversation. It makes me appreciate the weather even more.
I hope we can chat again soon about the weather or any other topic.
I would like that too. Have a great day, Chloe, and enjoy the sunshine if you get a chance to go out.
You too, Jacob. Enjoy your museum visit and the cool breeze. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Chloe.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.